Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a boba tea. First, let's draw the cup. Draw two lines slightly tilted, then connect them with a curve, and that's another curve for the bottom of the cup. Now let's draw the cap, just a bigger curve, and then it's a semicircle with a hole and down. Then another curve for the bottom of the cap, and next we draw the straw, just slightly tilted, and since the cap is transparent we can see the straw, so we draw the lines for the straw down the cup. And then draw an oval for the top of the tea, and then the ice cube, just squares. Draw circles, those are the boba or the bubbles, and you can make it small or bigger, just whatever you like. And then let's draw wavy lines to separate the color. Later on we're gonna color it shades of brown. And the last, the pattern of the straw. And it's done, we are ready to color. Color the bottom the darkest color of brown, and then the second one it's lighter, and the next it's darker than the previous one, and the last one it's yellow or orange, and at the top it's brown, light brown. For the boba we color it with dark brown, but press your pencil, colored pencil, or you can use black for the boba. And the straw, use brown and pale orange for the pattern color. And you can use eraser to clean. And now it's done. It looks nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.